Yeah, now Jamie there wait for the bus now, man. I take the bus pass. But we just realize there's something that we did today, 3 years ago exactly today. A change the course of our lives. And I just want to share that with you guys. Yeah. 3 years ago I did something that changed the course of our lives. So after the intro, stay tuned. I will say exactly what I talk about.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
We don't know, but you're gonna find out. Like, this changed the entire course of our lives. This is gonna change our life in the future. You see what I say? So stay tuned. After the intro, we get into it. What do we call tonight?
Boys' night.
Alright, so tonight is boys' night and it's a Friday night thing. So Friday is for the boys. Typically, I do not record this. Jamie never want me to record this. But I ask him, please, if we can just record it one time and then next week we won't record nothing, right? So we're just gonna record tonight, Friday. Probably may not put out this until tomorrow, Saturday. But I just want to give you a glimpse of what boys' night is. Growing up, me never have no tradition in my household apart from Sunday day, you know, say rice and peas. Friday a fast food. That are the only tradition type of thing. And Saturday a soup. The Jamaican way. But me now decide so with my family where me create, me want to have a little tradition to the thing. So me and Jamie there and me say, okay, when you touch Friday, if me not get to spend enough time with him during the week, Friday is for the boys. We play either a game, do some arts and craft, and surprisingly Jamie make the list of what we should do. Yo, that is great. So that is something I want to do with him, future kids. And hopefully him can bring over the tradition to film family, you see me? So yeah, these are a list of the stuff that we have going on. This is tonight's list. So boys' night, what we're gonna be doing tonight, we're gonna be doing pizza. You writing Z them. You writing sometimes you writing letter them back way, see, because Z the back way and A. But anyway, pizza, cupcakes, a pie face cannon, then we're gonna have guessing game, and then we're gonna have movie. So we're gonna choose one movie, and down here it's chips. This is supposed to be in P. CHIP. This is supposed to be P. But chips. Anyway, I'm 5 years old, my catch on. See? So that is tonight's list. I'm gonna make half pepperoni because what?
Because you don't like pepperoni, I only like it.
Yeah, good. And then we're gonna make half with just cheese. So get the dough, We're gonna get this. Look now. We're gonna do this. Stretch it like this, like.
Yeah, but now we'll rip it.
Yeah, stretch it, but don't rip it. Remember you make pizza for your birthday, Bridget?
Oh.
Remember?
No.
Yeah, you did make pizza for your birthday. At your birthday party, you make your own pizza.
When I was 5 years old?
Yeah.
Oh, now I remember. This is not heavy little rolling pin.
Don't make it drop on your toe.
Let's make it, I'm joking.
Go on, make it drop on your toe. Go on. Roll out. Yeah. Press and roll.
Okay, now let's put it in the oven. Your side is just cheese.
It's heavy. Step up.
Oh no.
Come on.
This is gonna be hard.
Go to the side. Don't touch, don't make your hand touch the heat. Put it, push. Yeah, move that. Don't make it touch that, you know, you do watch it poke. Yeah, watch it poke, you know.
Oh! I didn't get hot at all.
Not hot?
Not hot anymore.
I'm so sorry. Alright, change up here.
No, want ginger. Because I didn't eat ginger for a long time. I love ginger.
I love ginger beer.
When did you start to make this?
This last week, and I made syrup, so.
How many days did you start to do this? How many days did you start to make this?
2 days. Put it back in the fridge. Just about good.
Oh, it's cold. Come to that. I feel a little spicy.
Yeah, that's the ginger.
It's good. But now I remember I had ginger before I think.
Yeah.
I just tried to like this thing.
Some fresh homemade ginger beer, you see? Yeah.
Gotta take my slice.
I don't eat pork my own. Take off this now. There's something like that.
That one's for that one's for her. You know some mother doesn't eat the sweets so fat. Hey, why is it so flat? It needs to be a little bit more bigger.
They're big. You don't think so?
They're so flat. They're so flat.
This is some chocolate cake mix, but I'm sure the fruits night to make it a little fruit cake. You see?
Okay.
Yeah. And we cook it and cool down, so we can decorate them.
Ready? Ready up?
Yep.
Giddy up? Ready up? Ready up? Boys not have to be. I'm gonna have to be good. Not the stuff that you don't like. You have to make them stuff that other people like too.
I'll make a smiley face or something.
I'm happy Mom not around us.
Why?
I'm doing more from the boss restaurant doing or saying it, and you're gonna pay attention to her, and after I have to wait, and we do our stuff. I don't like that. I don't like that.
Can't believe I just sell out your mother, bro. You just sell out your mother? You don't like when mommy's around?
I do, but she just talks to you too much, and I can't even do my thing, and you can do it. You gotta say, excuse me, you're gonna finish the boys' night. Yeah. Go finish the boys' night, and then after I can talk to you.
Oh yeah, man! Oh, this damn boy, let's see. Remember to clean up your mess in the room?
Yep, I'm gonna clean up my mess. That worked.
Yeah, put it back now. Alright, so we did cupcakes. So the mark of cupcake.
Yeah.
So pie face.
Pie face time.
So I'm gonna see who's
Okay,
gonna
but-
go first.
Meaning, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by your toe. I'm gonna go and go.
Go on, Ella.
And you are gonna be in the face.
Go.
No, I'm gonna win this.
Oh, you need it.
I'm gonna win this.
You need the
I know I'm gonna win this.
So basically what you do, get some whipped cream, and we're gonna pipe it into the scanner right here.
Into it?
And
Okay,
then,
let me do
then
it.
squeeze the bottle, bend the bottle.
Okay, I know.
Bend the bottle.
That one's really hard.
Push it on. Woo.
Oh no, I put too much in it. That's why it squeezed out. It's like we're already playing pie kind. It's not working properly.
Alright, you come with pie, you come. You go on. You go on, you go on. You go on.
No! It's not working.
Why is it not working, bro?
Maybe we didn't put enough.
No, we have enough. Oh.
Let me see.
Come on, make your camera see you. Come. Come, make your camera see your face. Come. Don't robot. No, wash off it. Come. Come.
Don't do that! It came out to my ear. Now my ear's messed up.
Right.
Oh, jeez.
Yo.
I need to wash that off. Are you ready for it to get onto your face? Are you ready? One thing for me.
I can't open my eyes, bro.
Then wash it off.
No, my nose. What? Oh, God. It's in my face. I can't even open my eyes.
Let's go to...
Woo. Yeah. So what?
You have whipped cream. You have whipped cream. Crumbs onto your beard. Have more onto your beard.
Oh.
I mean, I look a little tired.
Hmm?
Your eyes look tired.
My eyes are tired.
Yes. Put your face into it. Oh, don't do it like that.
Yo! Man, you're good. Now me yeah, bag.
I love going in your eyes. So no why.
Yeah, spread it on my face, bro.
Oh no, it's not. Yeah. We'll put a little bit more.
Are we, man?
No, wait. Yeah.
That probably never fine. Oh,
No, please! Nothing!
oh, lucky.
No, I'm tired of it.
We got 3 stuff done. Pizza, cupcake, the pie face, but just not spelled right. Then we're gonna do a guessing game, movie, and then chips. Right now we're gonna play guess the character. That's what we're gonna play right now.
Guess the character for kids.
Getting that from YouTube.
Number 1. Minion.
Yeah, Minion.
Yeah, that was easy for you because you watched what me before. This is Minion. Yeah. It's a Minion. This is the next one. No, don't turn it up. It's already written. I'm Vlogmas. Oh, it's a person, that green person.
Which green person?
The green person with those ears looking like it's honks.
Oh, Shrek. Like their horns.
Horns.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah. Number 3. Oh, the robot for that movie. That's my favorite movie. It's a robot. It's a robot. Yeah, I watched this movie before on Netflix. It's on Netflix. It's a robot.
Yeah.
I forgot his name.
Baymax.
I think those persons.
Looks like Smurf. It looks like Smurf.
Yeah, it's a Smurf. I think it is.
Yeah,
I think it's Smurf. Yeah, I think it's Smurf. You know a lot of movies.
Don't underestimate me, bro. Poppy. Number 7. No casino.
That's her name though.
Okay.
That's Nemo. That's Nemo. It's Nemo.
Are you watching this already?
No, I didn't. I'm serious. I don't remember this.
No, you don't say Nemo then.
Because I know how
So what movie are we gonna watch?
we're gonna see.
Huh?
We're let's do it.
So you're gonna choose the movie? So yeah, we have made it to the end of boys' night basically. So by 12 o'clock
Can
we'll
you
finish.
stop talking for a second and she can hear? Home. Santa.
Here's Spotify.
Hey, Santa.
Say Santa. Santa Claus 2. There's no Santa Claus 3.
There it is. There's Santa Claus.
Oh. Go on it.
It's right there. Santa Claus 3.
So yeah, that's the movie of choice tonight.
Yeah, now turn off the camera.
Back up out of
Turn
my
off
face.
the camera.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn off. I can't touch my phone or my camera or nothing. So yeah. So
Let's get chips too. Let's get rid of them after we did that.
we can't sit on the couch and eat chips.
Oh. That means
We have to eat the chips after the movie then. I'm impatient. My wait for me. I go watch Santa Claus 3 and do the right thing.
come right
Big
now.
up on yourself.
I don't know what the remote is.
Here, man, it's okay. Alright.
Turn it off.
The lighter, you. Look off the light.
We need a blanket. Let me get a blanket.
After this movie, then we're gonna go sleep, bro.
No, we're gonna eat chips.
Oh yeah. Then brush your teeth and sleep.
I'm gonna stay for 2 minutes.
Why?
I love it. It's the little thing up.
I don't know. Yeah, and that is it. Boys' Day was created 3 years ago today. Yes, 3 years ago, Boys' Day was created. What you saw there was our very first record of Boys' Day with me and Jamie. See how tiny he was? Look on this big kid now. Always have a mouth on him. You know what I say? Always have a mind of his own. Always just so verbal, and I love that. From he could have talk, he was a late talker. Started talk at around 3 years old, but I tell you, ever since he started talk, never lost for words, this boy here, man. So, as you can see, I'm my best friend in real life. No people that say that's sad, your kid is your best friend. No, but I'm still disciplined in backside, you know. I have to know yourself, but honestly, this boy right here, my best friend, and that 3 years ago today exactly, I decided to create Boys Day, and
Yeah, I
that's
seen
going
the
to
bus
change.
going on the highway and it's coming.
No, it's not it, man. That's going to change his life with his kids. Hope he can carry on a tradition there with few kids, and you know what I say? Keep up with tradition, jam time. So I'm going to ask you a question. Quick interview. Quick interview. How has Boys Day and Boys Night been for you over the past 3 years?
I don't know, fun, like, cause I'm always, it's even more fun now because you're always gone for like every day and I only see you on the weekend. So when you're there for Boys Night, I'm happy.
Come back in that camera. Okay. So you look forward to Boys Night every Saturday. We used to do it on a Friday, but because I used to get so tired after school, we decided to switch it over to Saturdays, whereas you get enough rest.
Yeah,
on
because I'm
Friday.
always falling asleep on the movies.
Mm-hmm.
We have the movie at the end. I remember the first movie we watched on the Boys Night was Ghostbusters and
What was it?
the Avengers, yeah. I remember.
So the Boys Night that we record for YouTube was actually probably the second Boys Night. Then
Yeah, I told you. Remember? Remember
we
when
watch
we
the
were making...
Santa Claus movie and we make the cupcake and stuff. Yes, but officially it's been 3 years today since we put out our first Boys Night movie on YouTube.
I told you. Remember when we were making the oatmeal cookies? You said that was the first Boys Night. I was like, that was it. I feel like
That's the first one we never recorded it.
Yeah, the first one, we just had fun. I don't even think we did something. I think we just watched the movies.
What is your name? One bump?
I don't know.
Yeah, you have a bump on your eye, bro.
On my eye?
And what is up on your nose?
Just a little.
Where you sitting there?
I think the bus passed.
Yeah, I think so too. Let's go drive by your school. Come take the bus pass. But yeah, I'm happy that we come up with something where change the course of your life and something you look forward to. Now Jazzy and Ajari can join us. They do join us. Mostly Ajari, because Jazzy is still around the pardon and not paying about
He barely even joins us. They barely ever join us. They haven't joined us in a year, probably, like months.
So yeah man, if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Vlogmas Day 5.
It just started, didn't it?
Yeah, but I'm going to show them what we did for Boys Day. So Vlogmas Day 5 is in the books. Stay tuned. Remember, tomorrow again, we have our next new vlog coming out. So,
Yeah.
lucky. You see, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. And go and big up on yourself.
One sec before we do that. This video was recorded on December 5th.
Yes, sir. Alright, so there you go. Once again, thank you very much for watching. You see when you come here, see what you see here. You see before you leave here, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel and go and big up on yourself.